Are you facing a frustrating permission-denied error while working with Firebase Cloud Functions? You are not alone today. We're diving into this common issue and how to resolve it. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you think everything is set up correctly, only to be blocked by access issues. This is a common hurdle. Let's take a closer look at this specific situation. One user reported getting an access denied error when trying to read or write to the real-time database using Firebase Cloud Function. They mentioned that their App Engine default service account has editor rights, yet the issue persists. Sound familiar? So, what could be causing this access denied error? It often boils down to security rules in the database or misconfigured service accounts. We'll break it down step by step to help you identify the root cause. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that can help you avoid these permission issues in the future. To resolve the permission-denied issue in Firebase Cloud Functions, the user should first check the security rules for the real-time database. Ensure that the rules allow read and write access for the service account being used. Next, the user should verify that the service account used by the Cloud Functions has the necessary permissions. This can be done by checking the IAM settings in the Google Cloud Console. The user should also ensure that the Firebase IDMOIMSUK is initialized correctly in the Cloud Function. This includes using the correct service account key and ginlaning the app properly. Finally, if the user continues to experience issues, they should check the logs for any additional error messages that could provide more context about the permission-denied error. Fun fact: did you know that Firebase was originally developed to help developers manage their data in real time? It's come a long way since then, but permission issues can still trip us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests checking the permissions for the App Engine default service account. Make sure it is set to editor in the IAM settings. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution from another user highlights the importance of proper permissions in Firebase. They point out that Firebase documentation now specifies the need for specific roles to ensure full access. They also mention that while delegating permissions to an owner is an option, adding these specific roles is likely the most secure and minimal approach. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that to allow anyone from your app to use a callload HTTPS function, you need to assign the all users permission to the Cloud Functions invoker role for that specific function in Google Cloud Platform. Here is the tip I promised. Regularly review your Firebase security rules and service account permissions. This proactive approach can save you from future headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the permission-denied error in Firebase Cloud Function. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshoot tips. And remember to keep your Firebase function